Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this video and learn how to decorate gingerbread cookies with royal icing in the design of a Christmas door. Pipe out wreaths with green royal icing and a star nozzle. Decorate with sprinkles. Work on a few at a time to ensure they don't start to crust before the sprinkles get added on. Finish off the wreath by piping on a red bow. You can make these royal icing wreaths ahead of time. Roll out gingerbread dough, cut out rectangles and bake. If you don't have a rectangle cutter, you can use a knife and ruler as I've done with sugar cookie dough. If you need a gingerbread recipe, I will leave one in the description. When the cookies have cooled down, flood with royal icing as shown. Finish off these beautiful Christmas cookies by painting the handle and letterbox flap with edible gold powder mixed with a few drops of vodka. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I was able to give you a good idea on how to decorate Christmas cookies.